Alright guys, so we managed to get everything going. As you can see, there's a lot of wires. The harness for the cat is this one, and it runs to the cat through the back. And then I had to custom make some harness. I have everything labeled here, custom made. This plug and that plug, and spliced it into the PCM actually, sorry. Just for right now, just to mock it up and test it out. I'm gonna heat shrink and solder those once I'm done. The engine, I got it to fire up today, so it starts with the computer on the truck. So still a mess in here. I haven't cleaned it, but I still haven't got the tachometer working or the oil pressure connected. But everything else it looks like it's good to go. Alright guys, there's a mess. I gotta still install the Allison automatic control module, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put that one here. Let me shut this down. I'm thinking I'm gonna put that one right here. I'm gonna take that box out and make something where the controller sits like that. Maybe 3D print it or fiberglass.